Okay, so I'm going to review the opposition's claims against increasing manned space exploration. One of the main claims the opposition has is that role models aren't necessarily astronauts. Role models are people's parents or teachers. However, there are a lack of teachers as math and science, or in the math and science department. Since the peak year of space exploration and of STEM field education in 1983, not only has enrollment in STEM fields in college gone down, but consequently in teaching professions as well. And according to the National Science Foundation, up to 70% of math and science teachers are first-year teachers who won't know the materials well and therefore won't be able to inspire and serve as a role model like they should be able to for their students. In addition, Chantal talked about the increased cost of manned exploration compared to robotics in space. However, I'd like to point out the increased benefits of the manned exploration. Chantal gave a few examples of developments that you might not really call that important. However, I'd like to touch on a few more. We have lightweight compact discs, microcomputers, design graphics, air quality monitors, home security systems, smoke detectors, trash compactors, fire-resistant materials, radiation insulation, pollution measuring devices, earthquake prediction systems, and then also the numerous health and medical benefits as well. So you'd be surprised how many every day-to-day things NASA has actually helped create through manned space exploration. Jasmine also pointed out that manned space exploration needs food, water, and air to survive. However, that equipment has actually benefited and led to some of our technological increases, which robots wouldn't have come about. Finally, the point about the risk of human life in space, we would like to point out that any loss of human life is tragic. However, as David Baxter, who wrote Advantages of Having Man in Space, says, we must continue progress in manned space flight so those who have given their lives will not have died in vain. Additionally, Felix Salmon of Space Exploration says the reason why the Columbia disaster was huge news all over the world was not because 7 people died. It was certainly not because the disaster might have marked the end of any project of scientific research. Rather, humanity identifies the desire to conquer new territories, to explore our world and its environments to the very limits of our abilities. That a man has walked on the moon causes wonder even today. So while these people might have given their lives, they gave their lives for something they loved and they cared about deeply. And because they gave their lives, we have learned so much more. So while a few lives have been lost, and that is extremely tragic, the benefits that we have gotten because of their lives that they have given up greatly outweigh the negative consequences. Therefore, we should increase manned space exploration so we can continue on this path of discovery. Thank you.